We know that families who read together grow together, but sometimes reading the same books over and over and over again can be pretty tiresome for both parent and child. Just last weekend, more than 10,000 books found new homes and new readers thanks to Reach Out and Read Colorado. Here's Denver 7's Katie LaSalle.
Carrie Kirshner, Director of Development for Reach Out and Read Colorado, joins me now. So Carrie, Reach Out and Read, it provides literacy and guidance to thousands of children in our state. Can you start by just telling us more about the organization and how you guys help kids and their families?
Sure. The way it works is providers actually starts in their residency program now when pediatric doctors go to medical school, and they learn all about our program. And then if they are providing Reach Out and Read at the clinic that they work, they are trained on the Reach Out and Read model, and they then teach parents about early relational health and early literacy, which is super important to starting your kid off on the right foot. Apparently, or not apparently, lots of evidence shows that kids who don't receive this early literacy training will start out behind in kindergarten, and it's just really hard for them to catch up. So we believe that all kids should start equitably, and so we provide the tools to get them there.
It's so wonderful. And I've seen pictures recently of some big smiles and happy kiddos with books in hand. You recently had a Hungry Bookshelf book distribution. How'd that go?
Yeah, well, we suspect that everybody over the pandemic went through their house while they were quarantined or isolating and cleaned off all their bookshelves. We received, I think, something like 14,000 books, gently used books that were donated. So we wanted to get them into the hands of all the kiddos we serve. So another piece that was really amazing about this event is we called for volunteers with a couple of corporations that we connect with, and people stepped up. We're really fortunate to be able to have socially distanced volunteer stations for book sorting. And I know a lot of companies are itching to get their employees involved in sort of community service events. So we managed to sort 14,000 books or something like that in a couple of weeks with many helping hands. And then again, on the day of the distribution, I think something like 40 people volunteered to come. It was all outside, and we were able to put big stacks of books in the hands of hundreds of kids. And so we want to do it again. So if anybody is looking at all the books that they no longer read on their shelves and want to share with us, we would love to take them off your hands.
How can they find you?
Well, our website, reachoutandreadco.org.
Carrie, thank you so much for all you do in the community and for your time today.
Thank you so much for having me.
And I spied a guest appearance by Katie's dog Lucky in the end of that shot. Well, here's that website again, reachoutandreadco.org. They're looking for donations of new and gently used books for future distributions, as well as volunteers to sort and hand out the books or help in some other way.